Hello everybody, I'm Ender. I hope you're having a good time. Honestly this Halloween has been a bit strange and honestly I'm kind of enjoying it. Mostly between work and normal life and stuff, things have just been kind of up and down lately. But then again, it's good to just relax and do things. Like, I've not made cookies and biscuits for a long time. And it was really fun actually, despite how hard they turned out. Wow. But yeah, take some time, just relax. Halloween should be like a good time to just do things for fun, so I hope you're all having fun too. Now if you excuse me, I've got a very grotesque looking mermaid to paint, so see you next time. Happy Halloween, day 3? Day 3? Day 4? 4. Maybe.